Dear student, in this short video, I will explain for you a practical example about restaurant, computation, accounting, and we will use the what-if analysis features after. We have 9 questions. First question, compute service charge and tips for all months. The formula will be here. We write equal food and beverage sales times percentage of service charge and tip. The cell F10 must be fixed. We have to add $F $10, or we can press F4 and we click OK. And then we drag, we can use the autofill feature by dragging the formula from the January cell to June cell. Total revenue equal this cell plus this cell, and we also use the autofill feature. Variable cost equal food and beverage sales times variable cost percentage, which here in this case 60%. Also we have to fix it by pressing F4, and we can also drag here the formula. Total cost will be the addition or summation of these two cells equal this cell plus this cell, and we drag also this cell. Net profit, number 5, compute the net profit equal total revenue minus total cost. Also we use the autofill feature. Question number 6, total net profit. In this cell we can add the sum function equal sum. We click on sum function and we select this cell. The total net profit is $33,000. Until now we have solved question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Question number 7, find the adjacent cell or the food and beverage cell. Here we intend food and beverage cell. Okay, food and beverage cell. If net profit in June must be equal 10,000. And we intend to get here $10,000 using goal seek. Here we go to what if analysis goal seek. Okay. We set this cell to be $10,000 by changing this cell. Click OK. Okay. Click OK, and we get here $25,000 as food and beverage sales in order to get $10,000 net profit. Question number 8, compute the data table for total net profit by changing percentage of variable cost and the percentage of service cost. Here we have in this row the percentage of service charges and tips varied from minimum 4% to maximum 10%. And in this column, we have variable percentage cost or percentage variable cost ranges from minimum 25% to maximum 60%. Here, the first step, we have to make a formula equal to total net profit. After, we have to select the table. We go to what if analysis data table. Here we have to be aware and to be sure that row input cell is this one, means this cell, and column, this one means this one. Click OK, and automatically we'll calculate all scenarios, all cases. Here, as we see, the best case will be 1% variable cost minimum and maximum service charge. We get nearly $92,000. And the worst case here, when we have minimum service charge and tip and maximum variable cost. Final question, prepare scenario for best and worst cases. And we can assume that the best cases here, when we have 10% and 60 and 25%, and the worst case when we have 4% and 60% here, and these two numbers. Here we can go to what if analysis scenario manager, and we press add. Okay, we name worst case or best or worst case or best case. Okay, and by changing these two values already added in this sheet, best and worst cases, we can click here edit, click OK, and you can change the value here as you want, but here the worst cases is 4%, 60%. Okay, we can click show. Okay, look, this value is here now, is the same. If we show the worst case, click show, and we have 44,000, the same value here. Okay, thank you.